Hi everyone, welcome to the third episode of Grow with Southernare, and today we're making the popular O-ring top. And to make this, you're going to be needing a cami or a t-shirt or any kind of fabric. Really, you could even use your bedding, some measuring tape, scissors, a glue gun, a pencil, and any kind of hoop you can find. As you can see, I've used an earring hoop here, but anything will do. And there you have it. Our new O-ring top is completely ready to be worn this summer. I think it looks absolutely stunning, and I have a small surprise for you guys. I made mine for my unicorn, and I think she looks totally cute. Let me know what you think. I hope this tutorial works out for you as well. If you liked the video, please leave a comment below and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you around next time.